You're gonna put in about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Ooh, I like my chia seeds. If you don't have chia, use flax. We're gonna put a little coconut jelly in there. Nice and soft coconut jelly. I like this as my good fats for the morning. If I have a soft avocado, I use that too. And then we're going to put in some Baobab powder. About a teaspoon. That is for your prebiotics. Really help with the gut health. Good vitamin C as well. And then we top this off. This is my green monkey, which is a cucumber based juice. This is cucumber, celery, and ginger. Right, we get it up to the mark. And we blend smooth. Here we go. Alright, so our green smoothie is ready. Not really green anymore because of the Nepal cactus berries, which we call sponge and needle berries. And this is yummy. You ready to go? It's not sweet. Taste, the berries come through very strong. Very nutritious, high in fiber, high in your vitamin C for the day. This is a really good way to start your morning.